There's another video where I'll install ZSH and a couple of things on my WSL. So let's get started. I found this article by Nikki, which is an amazing article which gives many instructions as to enable features in our WSL installation. So I have opened my terminal. I have done sudo apt update as well as sudo apt upgrade. So this is my WSL terminal and all the packages are updated. Now what I want to do is I want to essentially change this um, and install a few customizations for my WSL2. So these are the steps which they have followed in this article, which I am not going to repeat since I've already done those steps. Okay, let's see if I have Git already. It seems like Git is installed. It's custom installation for Node, which I'm not going to install. There are some installation for Docker, which I will not install at the moment, and then some yarn. Okay, this is something I am interested in, and where I want to link my Visual Studio Code to the WSL. So let's see what I have to do there. Explains the difference. Okay, change the integration terminal. All right. Okay. Let's just jump to ZSH. Let me copy this, or this is another one which okay, this is another article which the links I'll put it in the description. Let's follow this article, and it says install ZSH. Let's do that, and while it's doing the installation, we'll have to install OhMyZsh, and let's see if this article follows the same thing. Yeah, this also follows the same thing. Robbie Russell. Let's just copy this part. And I presume all of them are following the same installation directory. Okay, this guy is following one of his own, but this fellow, he is okay, he is using from OhMyZsh. So let's install this one. Let's see. Yes. So it's asking me. Awesome. This looks pretty neat. What next? So theme. Edit the ZSHRC. What is this they're using? Which theme? Yeah, they both are using the same. Let me just edit in that case. So I'm going to use vim and .zsh RC. Yeah, this is the one. And change this ZSH theme. Oh, it's already Robbie Russell. And okay, we have to change it to agnoster. Press I so that you can edit it. Let's paste this. Escape, control, shift and colon, W, right, Q for quit. That's done. So save it, restart your Ubuntu shell. Okay, let's do that. I will probably start it here. It has messed up my stuff. So installing the missing Powerline fonts. Let's see what this guy does. Yeah, it's broken. Yeah, that's right. So I have to install the Powerline fonts, which I will copy this git clone. Okay, that's done. While it's doing it, open admin PowerShell, navigate to the root repo and run this. What is this saying? Clone repo and run this. We need to install the Powerline fonts. So open the admin PowerShell. Alright, let's open. Oh, this is not running as admin. I'm going to close this and terminal, open it as an administrator. Yes. And Windows PowerShell. Where is this? C uses Davin dir. So which was the fonts.get? Let me cd to fonts and do another dir and see. Okay. Oh yeah, this says install execution policy doesn't allow me to install. So I guess that is why this bypass is put here. Bypass it and install it. Well, I think it is installing because something is happening. What do we do after that? Don't forget to close down the execution policy. Oh, perfect. Yeah. While it's installing, I'll just wait for a while. You'll see why I'm doing this, because the terminal will look amazing once that's done. It will start looking something like this. So I'm excited to look at that. ls command suboptimal directly colors data plugin for syntax highlighting, auto suggesting. We are going to do all this, and then there will be a final showdown. Meanwhile, change. Okay, this is also doing the same thing, and setting the bash on Ubuntu task and conemu. I'm not going to use that emulator. Additional links. Okay, once that's installed, let's see what's happening. Okay, it's taking a while to install, so I'll just wait for it. Awesome. The installation is completed, and I guess I have to open it up again. Let's close everything and just open it up. Oh, still nothing has been done. But according to this, I was supposed to. After installing the font, set them in your terminal. Application changes the weird boxes to icons. That's what it says. This will install all the fonts on your Windows. You might get an error, partial blocking you from running this. This policy after. Okay. Set the policy after. Copied. And let me go to partial. Set the policy to default. I guess I have to open it up again in the administration mode, which is what I'm doing it. Right here. Okay, but how come this is not changed yet? There must be something that I'm missing. Maybe some kind of setting over here. Says launch default interaction. What about appearance? Language is fine. Color schemes, rendering, actions. I'm not sure what I'm missing. So icons, tab, title, appearance. Oh, font face. I think this is what is missing. Yeah, one of the Powerline fonts, I guess. I have to select probably. What about this one? Let me save it and see how does it look. Awesome. There we go. Everything has changed. And I'm going to open up a terminal again to see if, yeah, that's there. They have a good, okay, it could be because of, oh yeah, let's see, look at that, because he was inside a Git repo. Okay, this is to replace the ugly colors, something called as directory colors may be used. Pick the theme you want and download the file to your home directory. Copy this. Let's just copy this. Awesome. Add the line to the bottom of your ZSH config to use what you just downloaded. Copy it. I'm going to do a vim. I think it should be in the home directory .zsh rc. Move to the bottom, insert a line and copy this. Nothing has changed. Why is that? Do I need to run that ZSH? Looks like this. Okay. Oh, awesome. That's changed. Now there are plugins for ZSH which will help us do some of the things. ZSH syntax highlighting is a handy plugin that prevents syntax errors by highlighting them. To install the plugin, first clone that repo and add the script to your ZSH. Okay. Auto suggestions makes them okay. Let's see if we have something written on here. Setting. Okay, he is not doing anything here. Well, other than installing the Powerline and configuring it. Okay, let's follow this ZSH syntax highlighting. Go to this repo, clone this repo, right? Copy it, cd dot dot. Okay. I guess I will go to a different directory on my D drive and probably set this one as my home directory. Anyway, for now I'll go to downloads and install all my setup there. Git clone done. ls cd zsh highlighting, and let's see if there's anything there. So I have to do this. I have to run this, right? zsh, not this. What's happening? What is the plugin names? Highlighting.zsh. Yeah, this is the plugin. Run this. Okay, that's done. And auto suggest. This doesn't do anything. Auto suggest makes typing come on. Let me copy this. cd dot dot. I am in downloads directory. Git clone auto suggestions, and I have to run auto suggestions.zsh. Source. It is inside zsh. Auto suggestions. zsh suggestions. I think this is the one. Oh, that's also done. List of plugins that ship with OhMyZsh readme. Most of the time they are already there. This is what I end up with. Okay, I will do the same. The plugin called Z contact frequency. For example, my blog is located at my projects results. Let me see if I can change this up a little. Autocomplete is done. I'm going to look for my plugins. Okay, plugins are here. And it said that I could change this. It has node, npm, npx, nvmz. I don't need any of that. Anything else that has to be done? I guess case sensitive. Everything that needs to be done is already there. I'm just going to quit with an override and restart it. Restart the terminal and see all my changes are there or not. Awesome. dir. Oh, it's not dir, it's ls. Documents. Great. Let's see if it shows the history. Like, it doesn't show the history. What did I miss? I think I have to add it in .zsh. Press syntax highlighting, because I remember that I had to do it. Install.md. Current cell with the plugin manager. Clone this repo. I think I have to just add it to my Vim configuration, which I'll figure out. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, I found this article where it's telling me how to do this autocomplete, and previously when I installed it was not installed as a plugin. So I'm going to copy this into my terminal. Oops, I guess I need to go and delete this. Okay, I will probably change my path again, mnt/d/downloads. Oh, don't worry about this. Okay, it's doing its thing. Once it's done, I need to add this to auto suggestions. To the plugins, I'll add both at the same time because I have syntax highlighting here as well. So since both are done, now I can add this to the plugins, which will be here. Probably do ZSH RC, and if I scroll down, there's a part where plugins are there. Okay, this is an auto suggestion plugin, and then this is a syntax highlighting plugin. Okay, I guess that should do the trick. I'm going to save this and probably restart it. Oh, it's not able to find the plugins. Well, there is something that I need to do. So it's autocomplete, source the plugin. No. I guess that's the only method. Once you successfully install the tool, you can now see auto suggestion as you type the command, which I don't see in this new terminal, whereas yeah, I still don't see it. ZSH. Let me see. ZSH custom. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. If I source ZSH auto suggestions and another ZSH plugins, okay, I run it, then I also run ZSH highlighting plugin. Okay, now I do a vim, both are there. So how about I start a new terminal? Still it's not able to figure that out. Oh, is there a problem with the way I have? Okay, so plugins, and it looks like it was supposed to be a list. Maybe. Let's just see. Insert, delete. That's how it's written right here. Oh, and also it is. No, that's a different way. Plugins equal to. No, that's not a problem. I'm going to quit this. Let me run this here and see. Yeah, still we have a problem. Is it because of the comma? I'm not sure. What is the delimiter in that case? Let me. Okay. Awesome, no errors, but do we have. Yeah, we have the highlighting and. Awesome. We have got a good setup now and everything good. So the problem was I was supposed to put the way I wrote Vim. Uh, just a second. It is taking a while to show it to you, and that is something called as PowerLevel10K. I will put the link in the description below. So essentially what you have to do is you have to install this PowerLevel10K, and that's pretty easy to do. You just clone this repo PowerLevel10K, and the installation guide should be down here. I think there's an installation guide that I was looking for. Oh yeah, right here. You can just do the git clone, and once that's done, I strongly recommend going here, download all of these files, double click them. It will prompt a notepad sort of thing, and then there's an install button there. You can install that. Let me show you if I can show you. Yeah, so basically when you double click, you get this install button. You just install that, and once that's done, you open your terminal, drop down this, go to your settings, and scroll down to Ubuntu, go to appearance, and select Meslo LGS NF as your font. Save it. Once you do that, come back to your WSL terminal, do PK or P10K configure. When you do that, you'll get a prompt like this. So once you get a prompt like this, you keep on changing your stuff. Like you can select yes, I can see yes, 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 and you can select any of these different configurations. I'm not going to do it because I've already configured, and you can see my terminal now. Like this is how it looks. So that's pretty neat. um, if you go to a git repo, it probably show more labels and stuff like that. So this is amazing, guys. I would suggest do this. It'll make your terminal look really cool. That's all. Thank you for watching.